Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner. This session is designed to help you understand the nature of panic attacks and, most importantly, to overcome the fear of them, to know how to manage them should they ever arise. Panic is a natural response. It's your body's way of reacting to stress or perceived danger. But once you've experienced it, that memory can linger, and the fear of it returning can feel overwhelming. This session will help you release that fear, restore trust in your body, and strengthen your calm, clear presence. Now, during this session, there may be interruptions, especially here on YouTube. We can't control that, but you can always listen on our HypnoCloud app for uninterrupted sessions. If you do stay here, here's a suggestion. Any interruption will simply take you deeper. You'll learn to notice the distraction, suspend it, and gently return to this audio. Any moment of frustration will be softly forgotten and sent away. Let's begin. Take a gentle breath in and exhale very slowly. Again, breathe in slowly, feeling your chest rise. And breathe out, releasing tension, releasing worry. Let your breath now flow naturally, soft and smooth. Now, I'll begin to count from 1 to 10. On each number, you'll open your eyes briefly, then close them again. And with every close, your eyelids grow heavier, lazier, more relaxed and sleepy. Ready? 1, open and close. Deeper, relaxed. 2, open and close. Eyelids heavier. Feel that slight effort to open them again. 3, open and close. Calm begins to flow. 4, open. Try to open, but imagine you can't. Eyes heavy. 5, keep them closed. Imagine they're stuck together, sleepier, calmer. 6, try to open again, raising your brows. Feel the effort. Now relax, let it go. 7, allow the lids to rest. Deeply relaxed. 8, keep them closed. Imagine the number 8. Then see it melt into 7. Now see the number 6 and go deeper down. Thoughts fade. 5, your body sinks deeper. 4, nothing to do, nothing to think about. 3, quiet and still. 2, drifting all the way down. 1, deeply relaxed. Now feel that calm flowing through your entire body, from your eyelids, down your face, through your neck and shoulders, your chest and arms, down your belly, hips and legs. There is nothing to do now Just rest in this peace, deactivating the fear. Deactivating the fear. You're now gently deactivating the fear of panic in your mind and body. A part of you might still doubt it. That's okay, because fear often comes from memory, the memory of how it felt before. But here's what you're learning. There is nothing wrong with the panic itself. It's simply your body's way of trying to protect you. It's a repulsion response, an inner alert that says, get away. You may have experienced it in moments of stress, confusion, or overwhelm. And yes, it felt immense, like a wave crashing over you. But the truth is, no one else could feel what you were feeling. And now it's time to understand something deeper. The past has no control over your present. The past has no control over your present. The past cannot define your future. Yes, you had panic attacks. Yes, they felt overwhelming. And now you learn how to handle them simply and powerfully. Here's the secret. When you feel anxious or panicky, you slow down. Slow down, all of you. Even if you feel slowed by the moment, that's okay. Slow breath, slow thinking. No thinking at all. Just be. Watch your movements. Breathe deeply and let your breath calm you down. Believe that now. In this peaceful, relaxing state, you begin to understand what panic really is. Panic is not danger. It's just your nervous system misfiring, your brain trying to protect you. Even when you're already safe, sometimes the body remembers. But here, in this moment, you know you are safe. Let this truth sink in. You are not broken. You are not fragile. Your body is wise, and now it learns a simple, powerful truth. You are safe. You can manage tension, anxiety, and even panic with ease and poise. Repeat quietly in your mind, I am always safe and secure. This world is safe for me. I can manage panic with ease and poise at all times. I can manage panic in all places. I can manage panic in all circumstances. I can manage panic in all conditions. Now imagine the memory of panic being gently lifted away like a mist or a soft ball of energy. Rising from your body, your brain, your memory. It moves farther and farther away. Something you used to fear, but no longer do. You are fully equipped for all of life. Whether moments are smooth or challenging, happy or sad, relaxed or tense, you are fully equipped for all of life. You are fully equipped for all of life. It's like a small flickering light in the distance. With every breath, you dim it more until it fades into nothing. If a worry thought arises, you just breathe. If a body sensation appears, you observe it with kindness. You are not the fear. You are the calm observer. Feel your steady breath. Feel your still body. This is your true nature. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind. With every breath, I am safe. I release the fear of panic. My body is calm and wise. Even strong feelings pass through me with ease. I remain grounded, focused, and present. I trust myself completely. I am in control. I am free. Let these words become your truth. Now it's time to return, feeling refreshed, calm, and strong. I'll count from 1 to 5.
With each number, you return with greater clarity and peace. 1. Noticing your breath again. 2. Feeling your fingers and toes. 3. Becoming aware of the room around you. 4. Taking a deep breath in. And 5. Eyes open, feeling awake, refreshed, and empowered. And remember, your breath is your anchor. Your calm is always with you. This is HypnoCloud. For more transformative sessions, download the app at hypnocloud.com.